Trời, bà qua bà xin đồ ăn tôi quá là tội luôn.
They said. This is what having kid does. Even if two are asleep, this one is still messing around. That is a big chalice, Lily. Wow. It's a big old chalice.
Me always like trying to throw it up.
Cheers. Huh? We did?
Oh no, this is to
With
share.
yeah, there's no way.
We're gonna put 2 straws in it.
Is Lily notified?
Oh,
Kaylee versus Alana. Oh, she's sad.
that's what you get.
Erica, she's dancing with her belly.
Oh, that's so cute.
Take this out because
Mayonnaise is jalapeno.
yes, that's the
This
one.
is the one. Spicy?
I thought it was supposed to be mussel.
And
This is clam.
mother.
Bro, this is clam. This is not mussel.
Yeah.
The bread is so good with the dip. Do not throw the bread away. This dip, so good with the
English as mom. Like they don't have a lot of understanding. So if you explain it, they'll get it. I'm from here too.
I'm trying to get.
But you also don't go out. Because you have to go out.
I know it looked like a fruit juice. It's not. It is not a fruit juice.
It looks like fruit punch.
It does, right? But it's not. They want the tasty contaminant.
I'm not a purist.
But I'll show you.
I don't care. Kate would care about food mixing.
I hope so. Yeah?
Oh, yeah, he was. Yeah.
David! Come sit down, David. It's ice cream. Bingsu. Coffee for me to digest all the food that I ate. And I'm not sure why Lily got a sandwich. She's full. What are you guys looking for? You looking for money?
Yeah.
All right, I'll help you look for some money.
We just help Kate.
Pick up snacks.
This is the money.
The money? Okay. Please put it back.
We just pick up all the monies.
All right. Child, what are you doing? Kate, you better pick all those stuff up right now before Em shove it on her mouth.
Mommy,
What?
your closet looks so soft.
Oh, it's soft. Thank you. Kaylee, that's very rude to ram into Mama. Thank you. You want to know the truth? The real truth? I have a personality wardrobe. And I just wake up, pick one out, and that's the one he gets that day. I have so many personality in my wardrobe that my husband is almost never bored. He will never get the same person twice on time. Yeah. You know? I'm kind of crazy. It's one of those like millions of attitude characteristic in a jelly bean bag. You just don't know what you get. You pull that one. That's the one I'm going to be today. All kind of crazy.
There.
Oh no. What did she has in her hand?
Lego.
It's okay, that's fine.
This week.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. What are you doing in the phone?
Hello? Who you calling?
Mama.
Uh-huh, you tell her. You tell him what's up.
Yes, she's calling mommy.
She's calling me.
Mama.
Uh-huh, Mama die. What you want? What you want?
I want food, please, mommy.
You wanna go?
Okay. Bye-bye.
You want fried rice?
Yeah. Mommy, I want a fried rice. Can we have fried rice at home? Mama, can I eat fried rice first and before I can go to Grandma's house?
Okay, I'll make you some fried rice now. Run away, girls! Here come the timber! Let me take a deep breath as I try to explain this well. So I was grocery shopping and I just been really calm and I just been in my soft girl era now, and that's just something that I feel like I want to go toward. And what this soft girl era is for me is taking things in a slower pace and taking more time before reacting to anything, because before I feel like I was a little bit hothead and I react to everything super fast and I just have a decision for everything super fast, and that go-getter attitude is, you know, awesome for like a boss babe. But now I just feel like it's taking a toll out of me, and I feel like I want to take a step back, and I kind of want to focus on my feminine energy. And for me, feminine energy is just taking a step back and not allowing people to penetrate or to hurry you into any kind of energy that they are at. And from all these ladies that I've talked to, the one that are 50, 60 years old that look like they're in their 30 to 40, they are actually really calm ladies. And they said that they're, beside wearing sunscreen, it's just them not reacting to everything so extreme. They're just really calm and laid back, and they're just kind of like, you know, I'm not going to change what things are the way they are. What I will change is the way I feel about it, the way I react to it. And I don't know, I just had this eye-opening moment, I guess. If it's you know, like, you want to be this crappy person, be this crappy person. You want to be a good person, be a good person. You do whatever makes you happy because it's your life. And I feel like this year, turning 34, this is the me, the feminine, like, you do you and I will do me. I'm going to have my own point of view, and if you don't agree on it, that's cool. We don't have to dislike each other just because we have a different point of view, you know? Like, you will see things as you see things whenever you're ready to see things as they are, you know? Like, I'm not gonna rush anybody to grow or push anyone to see what they're not ready to explore, I guess. So yeah, just a little tete-a-tete, something like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna include this video into my YouTube or my personal channel, because like, I don't know if people are ready for the sit down and talk and like deep crap yet. So tại sao là mặt xấu thế? Here we go. There you go. You look exactly like an Asian baby. Straight from Vietnam. Baby.
Let's go move over there because we want to see.
Để cho em bé ngủ. Let's go play inside the kitchen.
Let's go.
Inside the kitchen.
Il che ti dà contro,